Okay, Diploma Engineering Mathematics paper 4. ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కషన్ చేసేది టోటల్గా బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ అయితే 4th పేపర్కి యూజ్ అవుతాయో ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ మనము నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. ఇవి టోటల్గా 2 వీడియోస్లో ఈ బేసిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ పైన చెప్పడం జరిగింది. తర్వాత హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. 4th పేపర్లో హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్, ఫోరియర్ సిరీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫోరియర్ సిరీస్ ఇవి 4th పేపర్. డిప్లొమా ఇంజనీరింగ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో 4th పేపర్కి సంబంధించింది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు బేసిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఒకసారి మనం ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే, ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అందరికీ తెలిసినాయి. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. What about the next one? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This is the basic identity principle in trigonometry. How to write this one? Cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Same way, sin theta is equals to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Next, sec theta is equals to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is equals to root over sec square theta minus 1. According to this principle, these principles are written by this principle. Okay. Next, cosec theta is equals to root over 1 plus cot square theta. Then cot theta is equals to what? Cot theta is equals to root over cosec square theta minus 1. This is the identity principles. Okay, right. Next one. What about the next one? Trigonometric ratios of compound angle. Trigonometric ratios of compound angle. What about ratios of compound angle? Sin A plus B is equals sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A minus B is equals to cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next, cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the here. How to remember these principles? Simple. You have to remember this Sine soft. Sine soft. Soft means ప్లస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ ఏ వస్తుంది, మైనస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ ఏ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. కాస్ రివర్స్. Cos reverse. Sine soft, cos reverse. You must remember this principles. Okay, right. Tan A plus B. Then next one, tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the principles. Next one, then next principle, tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equals to what's happened? What is the principle for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఏ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. మైనస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్లో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది, దానికి అపోజిట్ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. cot A plus B. Cot A plus B is equals to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B. Cot A plus cot B. Reciprocal, tan ki reciprocal. Next, cot A minus B is equals to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot A minus cot B. Okay, right. Next one, trigonometric ratios of multiples and submultiples. Trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratios of multiples and submultiples. Submultiple angles. Okay, submultiple angle. This is yashodakrishna. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు SAILAMMA IIT NEET Academy. Okay, right. Trigonometric ratios multiples. What about the multiples? Sin 2a. Sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఇది? ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనేది ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Mitrama, listen carefully. Then what happen? If a equal to b equal to substitute a, then what's happen? Sin a plus a is equals to sin a cos a plus cos a sin a plus a. Then what's happen? Sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to sin a cos A sin A. Those are same terms. That's why x plus x is equals to 2x. That's why I have to write 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. Sin 2A is equals to, what is the sin 2A formula? Sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A, or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. That principle is most important. These principles and this principle are most important. Okay, right. Next one, submultiple of cos 2A. What about the cos sin 2A? Submultiple, multiple, not submultiple, multiple. Cos 2A is equals to, what is the formula? Cos square A minus sin square A. How to get this formula? By using fundamental formula. Cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Then if substitute A equal to B equal to A, then what's happen? Cos A plus A is equals to, cos A plus A is equals to cos A cos A cos A cos A minus sin A sin A. That's all. Sin A, x into x square, x plus x 2x. You must remember this principle. Cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. This is the principle. Okay. How to write this principle? Cos 2A is equals to 1 2 cos square A minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square A. Then 1 plus 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the total principle. How to get these two terms? How to get according to that one? By using this principle, these are total derived from this principle. These equations are derived from this equation. How? Cos 2A is equals to cos square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. How to write that one? According to identity principle, cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Replacement by this cos square A, replacement by 1 minus cos square 1 minus sin square A, replacement by cos square A. Then what's happened? 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. Then what happened? Minus x minus x minus 2x. Minus x is equals to minus 2x. That's why I have to write 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sin cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. Next one. If substitute cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus sin square a, that is equals to cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a. According to identity principle, sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a, replacement by sin square a. Then what's happened? Cos square a minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square a. Cos square a into cos square a plus cos square a. 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the principle. Okay, right. What is that total principle? Cos 2A is equals to, listen carefully, cos 2A is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A, that is equals to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. How to write this one? This one to this one. If you take 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, tan tan A is equals to sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Replacement by tan A. Sin A by cos A, replacement by tan A. Then what's happen? Solution. Okay. 1 minus sin 2A by sin A by cos A whole square by 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Then what's happened? 1 minus sin square A by cos square A by 1 plus sin square A by cos square A. Do the LCM. Cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A, that is equals to, then what's happened? Cos square A, do the LCM, cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. Cos square A gets cancelled, then sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Here cos 2A is equals to, that is equals to cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A plus sin square A. What is the value of this one? This one is equals to 1. Cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. That's why. How to write? Cos square A minus sin square A by 1. That is equals to cos 2A. If you take 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos 2A. Okay. Right. Another famous principle is there. That is the 1 what is that? Cos 2A is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. This minus 1 take over that side. Cos 2A plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square A. Cos square A is equals to cos 2A plus 1 by 2, means 1 plus cos 2A by 2. What is that? Cos square A is equals to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. What about next principle? Cos 2A is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A. 1 minus 2 sin square A. Minus 2 sin square A take over this side, cos 2A take over that side. Then what's happened? 2 sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos 2A. Sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Okay. What are those total multiple principles? Ratios of multiples. Sin 2A is equals to, again, 2 sin A cos A. What about the next one? 1 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is equals to formula 2 cos square A minus sin square A, that is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A, that is equals to, what about that one? Next one, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Next one, cos square A is equals to 1 plus cos 2A by 2 sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. ఇంతవరకు చెప్పినటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్. sin tan 2A. Next one, tan 2A. Next one, tan 2A. If you take a tan 2A, tan 2A is equals to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. What about the sin 2A? Sin 2A is equals to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. That is the minor difference is there. Okay. Identify this minor difference. Okay, 2 tan A. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. How to write that one? Tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. If A is equals to B is equals to A, substitute in this equation. Tan A plus A is equals to tan A plus tan A by 1 minus tan A tan A. Okay, then 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A 1 minus tan square. This is the tan 2A formula. Tan 2A formula. Okay. Next one, multiple. Already you learn tan 2A. Already you learn sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. Okay. Tan 2A. Now sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A. Listen carefully. Now learn about sin 3A. Sin 3A. This is the cos 3A. Cos 3A means cos fall in love. Love means 1 4 3. 1 4 minus 3. You must remember like this. Cos 3A is equals to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Means your coefficient 1 4 3. 1 coefficient 1 4 3. Listen carefully. 1 4 3. Cos falling love. Okay. Sin 134. Sin 134. Cos 3A is equals to what's happened? What is that? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Here sin 3A means 134. 1 minus 134 minus 4 means 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 4 sin cube. What about tan? What about tan? Tan 3A is equals to listen. Tan 3A is equals to what is that? Tan 3A. A is equals to tan 3A is equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is the principles. What about this is the multiples. Multiples, submultiples. Next one, submultiples. How to write the submultiples? Let us see submultiples. Submultiples, how to write? Sin A. Sin A. Sin A is equals to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Means 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Here sin 2A means what? Sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A. Here 2 is the coefficient of A. If how to write this one? If sin 2 into A by 2, A is replacement by A by 2, then sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Here A 2 gets cancelled. You have to write sin A. Okay. Cos 2A is equals to, similarly, cos A is equals to, how to write? Cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Okay. Cos A. Cos A. Sin A, cos A, tan A. Tan A is equals to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. This is the submultiples. Next one, you must remember another principles. 1 minus cos A is equals to 2 cos square A by 2. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus cos 2 cos A is equals to 2 sin square A by 2. This is the submultiples. Okay. Right. Next, transformation of product and sums. Transformation of, ఇవి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి while doing the problem. Laplace transform కానీ, Fourier series కానీ, homogeneous differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equations మనం చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అనేవి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి నేర్చుకోవాలి, కంపల్సరీ నేర్చుకోవాలి. సో నేను ఈ వీడియో, నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో కూడా పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2 బేసిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఫర్ పేపర్ 4 గురించి చెప్తాను. ఓకే. transformation of products and sums. ఇవి ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతాయి అంటే ఆల్రెడీ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో యూజ్ అయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్, మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ హోమోజీనియస్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. మిత్రమా లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనేది నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ కానీ నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అనేవి while doing the problem, these principles are most useful for solving the problems. Okay. Transformation of products and sums. Already ప్రోడక్ట్ కానీ సమ్స్ కానీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు యూజ్ అయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో ఖచ్చితంగా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ అంటే ఎట్లా యూజ్ అవుతాయో అది చెప్పేటప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేస్తా. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సైన్ 2 sin a cos b is equals to sin a plus b sin a plus b plus sin a minus b sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equals to sin b is equals to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b sin a minus b. Next one, 2 cos a cos b is equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Important. 2 cos sin a sin b sin a sin b is equals to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is the most important product to sum. This is the product to sum. Product to sum. Next, sum to product. Sum to product. Okay, let us see sum to product. What is the sum to product? Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d. Next one, sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d plus cos d. Formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. What about cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is the most important. This principle is most important. Okay, these principles are most important. Next one, differentiation. Next one, differentiation and integration. Differentiation, integration. Let us see differentiation. Differentiation principles. Differentiation principle. d by dx of x is equals to 1. d by dx of constant is equals to 0. d by dx of x to the power of n is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. d by dx of a power x is equals to a power x log a. d by dx of e power x is equals to e power x. d by dx of log x is equals to 1 by x. d by dx of a power x e power x. Next one, root x is equals to 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of x square is equals to 2x. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. This is the total principles for. What about total principle for polynomial? Okay, next one, trigonometric principles. d by dx of sin x, d by dx of cos x, d by dx of tan x, d by dx of cot x, d by dx of sec x, d by dx of cosec x. When the function start with c, resultant have a minus. Resultant have a minus. Differentiation lo function start with c తోన start అవుతే resultant కి మైనస్ రాయాలి. cos x minus sin x sec square x, here minus cosec square x. What about this one? Sec x tan x. Next one, cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Cosec x cot x. D by dx inverse function. Let us see inverse functions. Okay, inverse functions. What about next one? Inverse functions. If you take inverse functions, all right. Inverse functions. Sine inverse d by dx of sine inverse x is equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. D by dx of cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x is equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of sec inverse x is equals to 1 by mod of x square minus 1. D by dx of cosec inverse x is equals to minus 1 by mod of x root over x square minus 1. This is the inverse functions. Total inverse function. Next, d by dx, most important, d by dx of uv method. D by dx of uv, u dv by dx minus v du by dx. What about this one? How to write? V dash minus v u dash. That's all. D by dx of u by v method. Here v square, denominator lo v square రాసేయండి, v తోనే స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. v du by dx minus u dv by dx. dv by dx. How to write this one? v u dash minus u v dash by v square. v square. This is the u by v. Here uv method. This is the uv method. Plus is there. This one is the plus. Here minus. D by dx of uv is equals to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the differentiation. What about integration? What about integration? Integration principles. Okay. Integration principle. Integration principles. Let us see integration principle. Integral dx is equals to x plus c. Integral dx is equals to integral x dx is equals to x square by 2 plus c. Integral e power x dx is equals to e power x. Integral a power x dx is equals to a power x by log a. Integral plus c plus c. Integral x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral x square dx is equals to x to the power of 3 by 3 plus c. Integral Next one, e power x dx is equals to e power x plus. This is the polynomials. Okay, integral 1 by x dx is equals to log x plus c. Log x plus c. Next one, trigonometric functions. To take a trigonometric functions, then integral sin x dx is equals to minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. Integral tan x dx is equals to log sec x plus c. Log sec x plus c. Integral cot x dx is equals to log sin x plus c. Integral sec x dx is equals to log sec x plus tan x plus c, or log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Integral cosec x dx is equals to log cosec x plus minus cot x plus c. Okay, or tan x by 2 plus, or log tan x by 2 plus. What about next principle is there? Okay, integral sec square x dx is equals to tan x plus c. Integral cosec square x dx is equals to minus cot x plus c. Integral cosec x cot x dx is equals to minus cosec x plus c. Integral sec x tan x dx is equals to, what is that? Sec x plus. Okay, these are the integration principle, fundamental integration principle. Total 3 fundamental principles are there. Those principles also you learn. Integral f dash of f of x whole to the power of n, f dash of x dx is equals to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equals to log f of x plus c. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is equals to 2 root f of x plus c. Those principles are most important. Next one, uv method. Integral, most important, integral uv dx is equals to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. How to write this one? F of x dx, g of x dx is equals to f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x integral g of x dx whole dx. This is the uv method. uv method చేసేటప్పుడు highlight most important, highlight inverse functions, inverse function, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric function, functions, exponential functions, exponential functions. Example e power x. Example e power x. Here tan x, sin x, cos x. Here algebraic function x square x, like this. Logarithmic log x, log ax, log x square, like that. Inverse function tan inverse x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, like that. ఫస్ట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఈ ఆర్డర్లో మనం తీసుకోవాలి. యూ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫస్ట్ ఒకవేళ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఎక్స్ అన్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫస్ట్ యూ తీసుకోవాలి, ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్ వి తీసుకోవాలి. ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్ వి తీసుకోవాలి. ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్లో మనం చేసేస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఇవి టోటల్గా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కి సంబంధించిన ప్రిన్సిపల్స్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఇంకా 9 ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దాంతోపాటు లాప్లేస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్, ఫోరియర్ సిరీస్ కి సంబంధించి టోటల్గా నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ సంబంధించి చెప్పినాం, దీనికి సంబంధించి చెప్పినాం. ఇవి నేర్చుకుంటేనే మనకి 4th పేపర్ చాలా ఈజీగా మనం చేయగలుగుతాం. 4th పేపర్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఈ మొత్తం నేర్చుకుంటేనే 4th పేపర్కి సంబంధించి మనం ఈజీ ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది, ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు ఈజీ ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఈ బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకుంటేనే మీకు బాగా అర్థమవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీబడి. సీ యూ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. ఓకే మిత్రమా.